Iceberg, right ahead!
I'll see your 20 pounds and raise you 50.
Colonel, you're bluffing again.
Distress signal received, sir. 41 north, 50 west. We require immediate assistance.
The pressure is rising too fast. Vent the steam immediately.
This is the life. Play it again. The sea is unusually calm tonight.
It is quite breathtaking.
Faster, play it faster!
Woo! It is a magnificent vessel. The air is so fresh tonight.
Hard starboard. All engines full ahead.
Push it, lads! Open her up!
Sir, there is an unusual vibration below decks.
To the finest voyage and the grandest of ships. Cheers.
Iceberg, right ahead! Right ahead! Iceberg, right ahead!
quickly!
We have to get out of here.
Help us!
Keep moving, don't stop.
Turn it, turn the valve, it has to hold.
We're sinking, we have to go up.
All right, ladies, this way, please. We must maintain order. Women and children first.
Hurry, we have to get down!
Watch the steps, dear, don't fall.
We have to get out of here! Hurry, quickly now!
We're taking on water too fast. Tell them to seal off the compartments immediately. Help me, the door is stuck.
Women and children to the front. Single file, step lively now. Make way for the next group.
Just a moment, madam. The boats are being prepared.
We must get to the upper decks now. Move aside.
This way, hurry! We must keep moving!
Open the gate. Let us out of here. Please. We have to get through. Move! Come on, turn!
Women and children first. Quickly now, step into the boat.
Quickly! Everyone upstairs to the lifeboats. Do not delay.
Women and children first. Quickly now. Move to the lifeboats.
Keep moving. The water's rising fast. Don't look back.
Lower away!
Keep her steady now. Women and children first. Remain calm. Lower away. Keep her steady as she goes. Quickly now. Next boat.
Simply connect the buckles firmly across the front, sir.
Understood, thank you. Move! Move! Oh God, we're gonna sink! Get to the lifeboats!
Stand back! Everyone stand back now! Women and children first, I said stand back!
Look, she's going down by the stern.
Oh God, are we safe here? We must row away.
Women and children first. Everyone to the lifeboats now. Move quickly. Stay calm. Maintain order. Women and children to the boats now.
Please, let us through. We're sinking.
Women and children first. Keep calm and move to the lifeboats.
We can't hold these much longer.
Save yourselves.
Help us! Somebody help us! Save us! Help us! We're freezing! Don't leave! Help us! Please, somebody help us!
It's freezing! I can't hold on!
We're going down. us! Somebody please help us! We're freezing! Stay with me, son! Keep fighting! We're gonna...